we'll move to the next one, second one. In the figure, angle x equals 62 degree, angle xyz equals 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find angle OZY and YOZ. Here what is given? Angle YXZ, this angle is 62 degree, XYZ is 54 degree. So they've asked to find, so and one more thing it is given, YO is the angular bisector of XYZ. So ZO is the angular bisector of XZY. So what do you mean by angle bisector? So that line divides the given angle into two equal parts. Then we have to calculate angle YZO and YOZ. These two angles we have to calculate. So before that, so take this triangle. In triangle XYZ, two angles are given. Angle X and angle Y is given. You can calculate angle Z. So angle XYZ plus angle YXZ plus angle XZY. The sum of three interior angles is equal to 180 degree according to angle sum property of triangle. So now XYZ is given 54 degree plus YXZ is 62 degree. You have to calculate XZY equals 180 degree. So here 54 plus 62, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 5 11 plus XZY is equal to 180 degree. That is XZY equals 180. Take this plus 116 that side, it will be minus 116. Now subtract, borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. Here 1 minus 1, 0. 64 degree. So this much is 64 degree. And now, what is given here? YO is the angular bisector of XYZ. So I'll write here. YO is the bisector of angle XYZ. XYZ. That means, so it divides that XYZ into two equal parts. Which are those equal parts? Angle XYO and OYZ. Both are equal. Angle XYO will be equal to angle OYZ. OYZ. Both are equal. So you have to divide this into two equal parts. Total angle is 54 degree. So that is half of XYZ. So that is 54 degree should be divided by 2. That is 27 degree. Each part will be equal to 27 degree. So this part is 27, this is 27. So similarly, ZO is the bisector of angle XZY. So these two parts are equal. So that is, which are the equal parts? XZO will be equal to angle OZY or YZO. Both will be equal to what? You have to divide this 64 into two parts. 64 by 2, that is 32 degree. So this part is 32 degree. Now they have asked to calculate this angle YOZ. So for that you have to consider this triangle. In triangle YOZ, so the sum of these three angles OYZ plus YZO plus YOZ equals 180 degree according to angle sum property. So OYZ is 27 degree plus YZO is 32 degree plus YOZ you have to calculate, write that as it is 180 degree. So 27 plus 32, how much you will get? 59 degree. So YOZ equals 180, that is angle YOZ equals 180 minus 59. That is, so borrow 1 from here, 10 minus 9, 1, here 17 is there. So 7 minus 5, 2, here 1 is there. 121 degree. So angle YOZ is 121 degree. Third one, in the figure AB is parallel to DE and angle BAC 35 degree and angle CDE 53 degree. They have asked to calculate angle DCE. Here what is given? AB is parallel to DE. So here what kind of angles are these? Here these two angles are alternate angles. So therefore BAC will be equal to CED. CED both are equal to how much? 35 degree because they are alternate angles. Alternate angles. So this is 35 degree. Now easily you can calculate the third angle of this triangle. So in triangle CDE, so angle DCE plus CDE plus angle CED. Both all the three angles is equal to 180 degree according to angle sum property of triangle. So what is the value of DCE? DCE we have to calculate. So write that as it is. DCE plus CDE is 53 degree plus CED is 35 degree equals 180 degree. So here angle DCE, add these two, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8. So 180 degree. So that is DCE is equal to 180. Take this plus 88 that side. It will be minus 88. So you borrow 1 from here. 10 minus 8, 2. Here 17 minus 8, 9. So DCE is equal to 92 degree. We'll move to the next one, fourth one. If lines PQ and RS intersect at point T such that angle PRT equals 40 degree, angle RPT equals 95 degree and angle TSQ is 75 degree, find angle SQT. We have to calculate this angle. So now take this triangle PRT. In triangle this one, here two angles are given. You can calculate the remaining third one. So in triangle PRT, angle PRT plus angle RPT plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. So according to angle sum property of triangle. So now substitute the values. PRT is 40 degree plus RPT is 95 degree. So you have to calculate PTR is equal to 180 degree. Now add these two. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus PTR is equal to 180. Angle PTR is equal to 180. Take this plus 135 that side. It will be minus 135. So 10 minus 5, 5 here 7 is there. 7 minus 3, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. 45 degree. PTR is equal to 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. What about this angle? That also 45 degree because these two are vertically opposite angles. So therefore here angle PTR will be equal to angle STQ. Both are equal to 45 degree because they are vertically opposite angles. Now we know the value of this angle. Now take this triangle. In triangle STQ. So to calculate this angle, you have to subtract the sum of these two from 180 degree. You have to add these two and subtract that from 180 degree to get the third angle. So that is angle SQT is equal to 180 minus the sum of other two angles. That is angle STQ plus angle TSQ. That is 180 minus STQ. STQ is 45 degree plus TSQ is 75 degree. That is 180 minus 45 plus 75. 5 plus 5, 10. 7 plus 5, 12. So 180 minus 120, how much? 60 degree. So this angle SQT is 60 degree. So next up, see the last one, sixth one. So in the figure, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced through a point S. If the bisectors of angle PQR and angle PRS meet at point T, then prove that angle QTR equals half of angle QPR. Here, so QR is produced through S, and this line QT is the angular bisector of angle PQR, and RT, this line, is the angular bisector of PRS. These two angular bisectors are meeting at the point T. Then we have to prove QTR. This angle is half of QPR. QPR. So here, prove. So now take this triangle. In triangle QTR. For this triangle, this is the exterior angle. So here, in triangle QTR, angle TRS. TRS is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. So, according to exterior angle theorem, this TRS, exterior angle, is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So, we have to consider only this triangle. So, this triangle here. So, considering, so for this exterior angle, so this is the adjacent angle, leaving that one, other two angles. So, here, angle RQT, so TQR, RQT is nothing but TQR. TQR plus angle QTR, the sum of those two, QTR. So that is, I'll reverse the sides, that is TQR plus QTR is equal to TRS. Now, keep this QTR as it is in the left side, equals TRS, take this TQR that side, minus TQR. Let us take this as equation number 1. So, QTR equals TRS minus TQR. So, now we'll take this triangle. In triangle PQR, PRS is the exterior angle. If you consider this triangle, so PRS is the exterior angle. So in triangle PQR, PRS is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. So according to exterior angle theorem, this PRS, angle PRS will be equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So leaving this part, other two angles. So that is PQR plus angle QPR. Let us take this as equation number 2. But what is given here? QT is the angular bisector of PQR. So, since it is the angular bisector, these two parts are equal. So, here, write this PRS as it is. PRS equals, instead of PQR, you can write it as, since these two parts are equal, so you can write this as twice of angle TQR. PQR can be written as twice of angle TQR. I hope you all understood this. Since QT is the angular bisector of this angle, these two parts are equal. So these two parts are equal. Instead of writing this PQR, so you can write this twice of this angle. You will get same angle. So instead of PQR, you can write it as twice of angle TQR. Plus, here QPR is given, QPR. So here write that as it is. QPR. So one more thing here PRS, this angle also, because here PRS, this angle, since RT is the angular bisector of this angle, these two parts are equal. So these two parts are equal. So here instead of writing PRS, you can write it as twice of angle TRS. Twice of angle TRS. So because QT and RT are angular bisectors. Now what we got? Twice of angle TRS equals twice of angle TQR plus QPR. So I wrote the same equation here. Now, so twice of angle TRS, take this term this side, it will be minus twice of angle TQR is equal to, so angle QPR. Now what is the common factor between these two terms? 2. Take outside. What is left here? Angle TRS minus angle TQR is equal to angle QPR. Now according to equation 1, what is given there? Angle TRS minus TQR, TRS minus TQR, that will be equal to what? Angle QTR. Angle QTR. So instead of writing, so this one you can write it as angle QTR equals angle QPR. So from equation 1. So that is angle QTR is equal to, here 2 is there, when it goes to next side, right side, so it goes to denominator, 1 by 2 into angle QPR. So we have proved the sum. So QTR, angle QTR equals half of angle QPR. Students, say that worked example 7. So what is given there? If QT is perpendicular to PR and angle TQR, this angle is 40 degree, and angle SPR, so here SPR is 30 degree, find X and Y. So now it is given that QT is perpendicular to PR, so that is this angle will be 90 degree. So easily you can find the value of X, considering this triangle. In triangle QTR, so here you know the value of two angles, you can calculate the third angle. So that is QRT, angle QRT. To get this, you have to subtract the given two angles from 180 degree. So that is, so 40 plus 90. So this is 40, this is 90, adding these two, and you have to subtract from 180. So 180 minus, so add these two, what will you get? 130 degree. So 180 minus 30 degree. 8 minus 3, 50 degree. So here 1 minus 1, 0. So 180 minus 130, 50 degree. So X value. So QRT is given X value, that is 50 degree. Now we got the X value. Now we have to find Y value. So now take this triangle PSR. So here these two are, we know the value of these two angles. So for this triangle, this will be the exterior angle. So here in triangle PSR, angle PSQ is the exterior angle. So according to exterior angle theorem, you know that, so exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. So PSQ will be equal to, so leaving these adjacent angles, other two angles, angle P plus angle R. So these according to exterior angle theorem. So here PSQ is given by angle P is how much? So we can use three letters to name this, SPR. So because it is divided into two parts, and this is angle R. So SPR is 30 degree plus angle R is 50 degree. So Y value will be 80 degree. So dear students, I hope you all understood these concepts. So we shall meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.